Hello, Waylon Chavez here with ABQ Premier Properties, Albuquerque's full-service, local, independent real estate company. I want to take a moment to invite you to our virtual homebuyer seminar and workshop on Tuesday, September 28th at 6:30 p.m. By clicking the link above, you can register. Are you a first-time homebuyer that don't know your options? Are you looking to stop renting and wasting your money and investing in yourself and building wealth and equity? Did you know homeowners have a 40% more net worth than renters do? Do you want to stop wasting your money and you have your rent stop going up every year with a fixed rate loan? Did you know you can get into a brand new home for as little as $500 down? I'm going to be discussing this and many more options on the virtual home buyers workshop and seminar on Tuesday, September 28th. And if you currently own a home and you're looking to either downsize or buy your dream home, I would encourage you to join also, as I'm going to be going over the home buying process, what we can do to help you sell your home for more money in less time and less stress on you. Again, join us Tuesday, September 28th, 6:30 p.m. and you can register by clicking the link in this post. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you there.